Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt last longer. To start, always keep your yogurt in its original, sealed container until you're ready to use it. Ensure your refrigerator maintains a consistent temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit to inhibit bacterial growth. Also, be mindful to avoid any cross-contamination by using clean utensils every time you scoop out yogurt. This simple step helps maintain its freshness. Once opened, transfer any remaining yogurt into an airtight container to protect it from strong odors and prevent whey separation. You can also place a layer of parchment paper directly on the surface of the yogurt before sealing. For optimal freshness, store your yogurt at the back of the refrigerator, as this area typically maintains a colder, more consistent temperature than the door shelves. Yes, you can freeze yogurt to extend its life, though the texture may change slightly upon thawing. For best results, freeze yogurt in individual portions using freezer-safe containers or ice cube trays. This makes it easy to thaw only what you need for smoothies or baking. When ready to use, thaw the frozen yogurt slowly in the refrigerator, ideally overnight, to maintain quality. It's crucial to recognize signs of spoilage to avoid consuming bad yogurt. Discard any yogurt that shows mold, discoloration, or an unusual pink or orange hue. A pungent, rancid, or foul smell, or a lumpy, curdled, or excessively watery texture are also clear indicators that the yogurt has gone bad. Always check the expiration date, and when in doubt, it's best to throw it out.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.